Hi everyone, welcome to this section. Let us attract exactly what you want and need. As kids, we have been taught that the world does not answer to us, we answer to the world. It is different when we want to invoke the law of attraction. We don't answer to the world, we are not bound to this type of thinking. Yes, instead, we use the resources of the world so that we can achieve what you want to achieve in life. We attract what exists in the real world so that we may satisfy our desires. At the very core of the universe is the force of attraction, and this force is capable of attracting parallels or like things. Positive thoughts will attract positive things. Negative thoughts will attract negative things. So we need to change our thought process. We need to remember that the world has everything in abundance and it will give as you ask. There is a way to ask as it attracts like things. Positive thoughts will attract positive things. Negative thoughts will attract negative things. Have you ever underestimated the power of your thoughts? If you have, you are probably missing out on 90% of what you could potentially achieve in your life. Why? Because your mind is not emitting the proper signals at the right frequency to attract what you want. How is this frequency attained? It is actually quite simple. Use your imagination, create the right thoughts, and focus on these thoughts frequently. How do you attain the frequency? It is actually quite simple. Use your imagination, create the thought what you want to happen in reality. Focus on these thoughts frequently. As you create and focus on the new thoughts, a new pattern of thoughts will emerge in you. For example, if you imagine having a new BMW and you focus your energies and thoughts on this one thought, you will be sending out a complete signal to the universe that you want a BMW. Now, when a person projects a thought that attracts, the thoughts are not lost once they are sent out. On the contrary, once you have sent a thought, your thought forms an invisible path to you so that the thoughts can find a way back to you. So when you are projecting a thought, send a good thought. Transmit a good thought. Think of yourself as a transmitter dish. You are capable of sending and receiving the signals. So you generate the signals with the right frequency, and these signals will find a way back to you. So when you are sending a thought, the thoughts are not lost, but they are creating an invisible path to you where it will attract the same kind of thoughts back. You are like a transmitter who are sending and receiving the signals. So my dear folks, don't send any wrong signals. You end up getting the wrong things happening to your life. That's all we have in this section. Stay tuned. We'll catch you in the next section.